ransomware, hacking, misinformation, privacy, social engineering, espionage. These are but a few aspects of why cybersecurity will be a key field of the coming decades. Now the eyes of the world are on you to turn the 2020s from a decade of uncertainty into one of stability and security. Are you an Indian or Dutch student or young professional? HCSS, along with several Indian and Dutch business, governmental and academic organizations, are here to provide you with the tools to take part. The tool is cyber security. We would like to invite you to the 5th annual Indo-Dutch Cyber Security School, which will take place over 4 weeks, kickstarting on Friday, October 25, with lectures beginning on October 28, 2022. The online program will offer some 20 lectures from distinguished Indian, Dutch, and other international experts on a wide range of cybersecurity related topics, ranging from cryptography and AI to cyber attacks, ransomware, and more. Our generous sponsors, such as the Municipality of The Hague and the Netherlands Embassy to India, enable us to hold these lectures for free. Only registration is required to attend. A specialist background in cybersecurity is not required to attend the IDCSS 22, but interest, enthusiasm, and dedication to learning about the field is useful. We would like to help you to develop your career in cybersecurity and to learn about some of the most pressing challenges the world faces today. The Indo-Dutch Cyber Security School is here to enable a new generation of young professionals who are experts in cybersecurity but are also committed to an ethical conduct of the field. Join us, excel at our lectures and challenges, and gain certifications in cybersecurity from some of the world's leading experts.